Team LGD. Wolf Burley. Showing the skull and bones with the counter punches. Lead, left cross, rear, right hook. He is a southpaw, just in case you ain't know. This is how we roll. Under roll jab. Over roll jab. As you can see, he's not standing there as he jabs. He's doing a semicircle. This keeps you from being standing right in front of your opponent and eating shit, as Mr. Wilson Pitts would say. You don't want to eat shit. So you move them feet.
Good move.
This is how we roll, man. It.
Yes.
Roll jab with the left cross,
That's
right
how.
hook.
That's beautiful.
Under roll jab, left cross, right hook. Once again, semicircles. Don't just stand there and be a sitting duck. You don't want to eat shit, man. Move your feet, man. Team LGD. Yeah.